Yes, people, welcome back to another Politics Watch. This is DJ Shawnee B from Livewya Radio, and today I want to come to you and talk about the retired senior officer that got sprayed in his eyes about a month ago. His name is Para Campbell. A little bit about the story, background story. The police officer, this retired police officer, was doing reckless driving on the road, and a police officer pulled him over and asked him to step out of the vehicle. And the senior retired cop wasn't obeying the orders of the constable, so the constable pepper sprayed him in his eyes. And in my opinion, I think the constable did the right thing. You understand? And he asked the retired police officer to step out of the vehicle multiple times, and he gave him warnings. He tell him, say, look, this is your final warning, and the guy was still misbehaving with the officer. And at one point, when the officer pull out the pepper spray, him say, you can't tear gas me. A tear gas, you want tear gas me? And he open up the door now, and then he go back inside the vehicle. And then after I go back inside the vehicle, him start talk to the officer a little bit, and then the officer pepper spray him. You understand? So in my opinion, I think the police officer could justify that he was scared. You understand? Because the guys open up the vehicle to come out, probably to hurt him because he took out the pepper spray. You understand? And Para Campbell is a senior officer in the Jamaica Constabulary Force, right? And he's the one that is responsible for the culture of the Jamaica Constabulary Force right now. And the way Para Campbell behave in the video, you understand, the way he behave show how police officers in Jamaica don't take no chat from nobody. You understand? If you do something, right, look what will happen to you after. You understand? And you know, you can see that, you know, when he got pulled over, him expecting the cop to say to him, you know, oh, your name Para, you are Para, okay, yo, go through, man, go through Para. But you know, this officer wasn't having that. The officer was saying, look, you have to step out of the vehicle, you don't have your license, and you know, you did some reckless driving and so forth. So I'll play the video for you now. I'm wanting to watch the video closely and leave in the comment box below what you think about the video. Alright?
You arrest me?
Yes, sir.
No, you don't arrest me. Why you going to arrest me?
I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
You going to handcuff me?
Sir, I'm going to ask you to step on the vehicle.
Officer?
Sir, I'm giving you a lawful directive.
No, you can't give me no lawful directive.
Sir,
To tell me so you don't arrest me, you can't me now my driver's
sir.
license.
Step from the vehicle.
Officer?
This is the final warning I get this.
No, this is not a warning. Don't tell me that you're going to warn. It's a tear gas me, you know.
Step from the vehicle.
No, it's a tear gas me. Don't, if you tear gas me.
Step from the vehicle, sir.
You're going to tear gas
Sir,
me.
step from the vehicle, sir. Step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle.
What are you doing to my phone, bro?
Sir, step from the vehicle. Step from the vehicle, sir.
A lot of logs. A lot of logs. Are you okay? Are you okay? Turn up or off? Up. Are you okay? Yeah, big. 24, I want to call. Can I call somebody like Modern or somebody? No? Don't call none of them? You sure? You sure I mustn't call any of them? How you supposed to spray up an old man in his eyes? That's my father. What kind of example him setting? And he catch me in my eye too.
What really happened? Why this?
He's trying to explain to him, he's talking to him, and the policeman is being very ignorant with him. And he sprayed it in his eye, directly in his eye. How you supposed to spray? No, he did not. He overtook a set of vehicles, and the police overtook. Walk along, children, walk along. He told him to pull over. He pulled over. He was explaining that how much vehicles he took, overtook, and he was saying no. And the police officer told him to exit the vehicle, and he's saying hold on, we're trying to explain, and he sprayed him directly in the eye. No, that's a violation. For no reason. He didn't show any aggressive force or anything. I have a video. You okay?
Alright, since the situation was so aggravated, no. I was trying to say this.
That one. And I don't begin, you know? Are you okay that now?
Get some water.
You have any water?
Why don't we not?
I would like to restrain him and not let him spray anything else in my father's eye. I don't trust him.
Wine on the window?
No. He says no. 40 years and all this. Can you believe it? Walk along, please. Can you let them walk along, please? Do you have any water? Huh? Do you have any water? Here, that one. Life just knows terrible things at you all the time. After 40 years of service, you got a treat.
Turn it.
Sorry. After 40 years of service. I'm going to call hot like that. Can I?
No, man, no.
You sure? I don't trust him now. More water? Can you see? Can you open your eye? Are you okay? How are you going to deal with the situation? More water? Why they turn one something into this, dog? Look here. Who is this now? Is it look in the brown suit? Open your eyes for a second. Look to your side. In the brown suit. You seen anyone else?
Water? Ula, what's up? What's up? What's up?
They spray him in his eyes. You need to fire them or something.
Young boy, still have it. Hey, look here.
Yes, people, you see that? That's the video. And you know, I want you to leave in the comment box below what you think of this video. But why me I bring up this video back from what happened about a month ago or whatsoever? I want to bring up some recent news. Pyro have been charged, you know, with 5 accounts. You understand? Him get 5 charges in a court of Jamaica. I believe one was for reckless driving, one is for disobeying a constable, one is to drive without no insurance, and I believe the other one was resisting arrest, something like that. But is it? This is a form of justice in a way, in Jamaica, in a way. Well, not a form of justice, but it's the right thing that the system did, in my opinion. Because the police officer, in my opinion, wasn't wrong. I think the police officer could have like restrained himself a little bit longer until Para come out of the vehicle. You understand? And or if Para was resisting arrest, you understand? At the first part of the video, you shouldn't wait a little bit before him actually pepper spray. And I think the police officer was a little trigger happy, I would say. But I think him did the right thing though, because in America they would have do the same exact thing. He gave his warnings. He said, "Sir, this is your last warning. This is your final warning." And he pull out him in spray can and what's up. When Pyro says him go spray him, you understand? Pyro say, "Oh, a tear gas me," and open up the door. And that's in my opinion, that's aggression. You understand? In America, if you do that, you're dead. Straight on the spot, you're dead. Yo, especially if you're black in America, you're dead. You get about 10 shots in the head. Right there, so. And you see a pepper spray, I lucky say on a 9 when pull out the gun him pull out, because he couldn't kill him. You understand? And I don't feel sorry for Paro. You understand? Because Paro was expecting a nicer treatment because he's a senior cop. He was a former senior cop. You understand? Because if you look to the end of the video, one time the khaki suit brother come, the superintendent, right? When him come, him open up the door fast. Watson, are you that Watson? Are you that Watson? You understand? And he run out of the car fast. Go hug up Watson, you understand? So him expect special treatment, and he never get the special treatment. And I hear rumors saying that he's gonna file a lawsuit and he was fearful for his life. That brother was not fearful for his life. In that situation, he was not fearful. He was surprised, I would say. He was very surprised that the police officer was treating him that way. And in this instance, it's an equal treatment for every man, no matter if you have links in the force or whatsoever. And Para do have links in the force. He can make a quick phone call to anybody in the force and they do something for him. And the court have charged him, you understand? And either he's gonna pay some fines or he's gonna go to prison. You understand? And I don't feel sorry for him. You understand? The law applies to everybody in Jamaica equally. Nobody is above the law. Alright? But people want to leave in the comments below and let me know what you think, and let's have a discussion about this. Please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and make sure you hit that little notification thing so you can get more updates from Livewya. Alright people, have a great day. Peace out.